Let's try to prove this IIT limit using Stirling approximation. So before this, I've already solved this using Riemann integral and product integral, whose videos can be found over here, turn by turn. Now in this video, let's try to solve it using Stirling approximation. So now what Stirling approximation says is, when we have limit n tends to infinity, n factorial is actually equals to root under 2 pi n of n by e to the power n. Yeah, so for the reason of the name that it's named as approximation, calls for larger n to find factorial. We use this formula just to approximate. That might not be exactly true, but that gives a good approximation. And if n is infinity, that will be true. So this is Stirling approximation. Now for this limit as well, we can use Stirling approximation to approximate n factorial. And that gives us limit n tends to infinity. N factorial is 2 pi n, and then n to the power n by e to the power n. We also have n to the power n in the denominator in the question itself. 1 by n. Now this cancels out. And then we have limit n tends to infinity of 2 pi to the power 1 by 2n, n to the power 1 by 2n, and then 1 by e. Okay. Now we can break this down into two limits. The limit n tends to infinity, 1 by e can be taken out. This is 2 pi to the power 1 by 2n. Limit n tends to infinity, n to the power 1 by 2n. Now any number to the power 0. So this is actually 0. 1 by infinity is 0. So any number to the power 0 will actually be 1. This will be 1. Now for this limit, what we can do is we can change it to e to the power ln of n to the power 1 by 2n, comma set front 1 by 2n. Now we have 1 by e times this problem. Okay, the 1 by e, and it was ln of n, and the power 1 by 2n goes to front. Okay, now we have 1 by e times limit n tends to infinity. It will be e to the power 1 by 2 times ln n by n. Now I can take the limit over here to the exponent, because we have that property for limit which allows it. 1 by 2 ln, 1 by 2, and then limit n tends to infinity for ln n over n. Now this is in the form of infinity by infinity, so we can use L'Hopital's rule, and that gives us e to the power 1 by 2. A derivative of ln n is 1 by n, and for n it's just 1. Okay, so 1 by e to the power 1 by 2 times limit n tends to infinity of, okay, so here should be limit as well. Limit n tends to infinity of 1 by n is just 0. Yeah, and so we have 1 by e times e to the power 0, so that's just 1 by e, and that's the answer for this limit problem, 1 by e. So we have solved this using 3 different methods in 3 of our videos. I also request you to check other videos because they are equally brilliant solutions. Now I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next video.